there's a blessing, the Shechianu, which ultimately says, thank you for allowing us to reach this moment right here, right now. And I'd like to sing that and bring it to you. So, Jacob, if you give me a chord. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam shehechianu v'kiyamanu v'higianu lazman hazeh.
These days I'm always running, looking for a place to hide, a shelter from the war that's raging always on inside. But as I hear the rolling thunder and I scream into the skies, I hear the song of my salvation echo just beneath my eyes. I know that there is trouble in the company I keep, and fears for friends and family make it hard for me to sleep. But I lay upon a bed of roses, I do my best to mind the thorns, and I pray the song of my salvation will carry me to distant shores. I know the day will come when all our bodies will turn cold, but oftentimes I think that I'm too young to feel this old. They say a river's still a river, though the waters all have gone. So no matter how it changes, different names and different faces, no, my final resting places, singing my salvation song. Thanks. Thanks so much. That song I wrote a couple years back, and to me that song, I wrote that song about music, and about how music, I wrote it during a pretty tumultuous time in my life, and that song is all about how in those moments where I feel kind of adrift, or I feel purposeless, or I feel overwhelmed, writing music, creating music, sharing in music gives me a sense of purpose, a sense of belonging, a sense of being part of something that is so much bigger than myself that I feel content in my anonymity. And so that song for me was just kind of like, wherever life takes me, however things change, I know that I'll always have this thing that I'm a part of that's bigger than me that will go on when I'm gone. And so that's what that song's about. I'm just going to play a good old-fashioned love song of mine. It's called Get Your Love. Could I have a little less keys in the wedge? What to myself in this position again, breaking into pieces every time I see your picture with him. Won't say this love is just a fantasy, but I know one way or another, babe. Oh, I'm gonna get your love. Gonna get your, babe. Gonna get your love. Yeah, yeah. Gonna get your, what to say. How do I tell you that you're breaking my heart? Distant hearts grow farther, baby, but fall to pieces if you keep them apart. But me, I just laugh and then I shake it off. I know inside that the day will come. Yeah, I'm gonna get your love. Yeah. Gonna get yours, baby. I'm gonna get your love, love. Gonna get you, ooh, yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Ah, ooh, baby. Ooh, yeah. What to dream? What else is left without a vision of you? How long can I wonder, babe? Am I content to be no more than your fool? But anytime I start to lose the faith, here with my heart on your shelf, oh yeah, I play a song and for a moment, babe, I close my eyes and I tell myself, yeah, that I'm gonna get your love. I'm gonna get yours, babe. Gonna get your love. Gonna get your, ooh, yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. So I want to play a song. I rarely ever get to play this song because it never seems appropriate. But this is one of those times where it does. Because one of the themes for tonight is nature. And I wrote this song. I don't really know. It just kind of all came to me. And which is strange because it's a very specific kind of song. It's a song about, I imagined going to a land where I could hang out with animals, and we all hung out on a farm. It's called the Animal Farm. And it's what I wish the world could be. So this song is called The Animal Farm. Just past the quagmire, there's trees full of jaguars, lions and tigers at the animal farm. I wade through the shallows and follow the arrows as swallows and sparrows sound the alarm. Far beyond the land I know, there's a big round brown bear and buffalo. They smile and laugh and beg me not to go. Oh, oh. Gathering rest while the rabbits and reptiles show me the way to the animal farm. High as the crow flies, above and below lie the beetles and blowflies to tend to the lawn. Just beyond the hills I see a big red barn by a sunlit stream where all the creatures seem to want to go. oh, oh, oh. Instead of the stables, 100-foot tables are waiting inside at the animal farm. And cattle and crawfish and salmon and sawfish are making a line at the animal barn. For stews and salads so divine, and dessert 1,000 clementines, all hand-picked by the monkeys in the grove. Oh, oh, oh. The goose and the gander sing as the barn owl spins us a yarn. I lie in the hay, how I wish I could stay now. A life and a day down at the animal farm. A life and a day down at the animal farm. Thank you. Okay. See, we all love nature here. Cool. Yeah, I really want to write a lot of. One day a dream of mine is to write an album for children, so that's going to be on there. Okay, cool. This is a song I wrote last summer, and it's a song in which I kind of reflect about growing older and looking back on my youth. And I think for me, it's always been, it's kind of a bittersweet balance. Balance, huh? Because we were kind of talking about this before we played tonight. With age, I think, comes wisdom. And wisdom isn't always easy to come by, but you're always better off for it. So that's kind of how I feel about getting older. Nostalgic for maybe for my own naive beginnings, but thankful for all that I've learned. So this song is called "When We Were Still Young." Standing in the sunshine, losing track of my mind, pacing around my bedroom alone, breathing in and out and thinking all about when we were still young. Daylight. Daylight, yeah. Daylight, daylight. Back when I was 7, I believed in heaven, hell and everything in between. And now I'm 25, living just to stay alive, and I don't know what it means. I ain't got a reason, season into season, days are flowing endlessly by. And I can't see the truth like I used to in my youth, and I don't know why. No. Daylight, daylight, yeah. Daylight, day. But lately we've been coming around, yeah. Lately we've been coming around, baby. My friends and my baby boo too. We gon' make it through. We've been coming, lost within a shadow of a doubt. We shine a little light, try to figure out. Lately we've been coming around, baby. Yeah. Yeah, we've been coming. I never been the type what focus on the light, but lately we've been coming around. Life is such a bright thing, I guess it's why I'm writing everything down. Standing in the sunshine, losing track of my mind, pacing around my bedroom alone. I'm breathing in and out, and I'm thinking all about when we were still young. Daylight. But lately we've been coming around. Hey. Lately we've been coming around, baby. Turning the page is just a coming of age. And lately we've been coming around. I think we'll make it out fine. Thank you. Thank you so much. Cool. Well, I want to play the song that I just put out recently. And it's all kind of about it's about kind of being okay with who you are, loving yourself, reminding yourself that kind of in this age where we're constantly on display, we constantly, or at least me personally, I constantly feel the need to justify myself to the world. Sometimes I feel like the only way that I'm worth anything is if somebody tells me I am. And so this song is kind of me saying that's not true. And it's called You're Smart. You're smart, you're beautiful, classic but unusual, chill but super vibey, mean a whole lot to somebody. You exceptional, past perfection, that's for sure. And you don't need somebody's love to make it true. Chewing bubblegum under the bleachers, feeling so alone, babe. You once were such a socialite. You used to stay out every night. All your friends have turned to lovers, left you for significant others. And though you're not together, I hope that you remember you're smart, you're beautiful, classic but unusual, chill but super vibey, mean a whole lot to somebody. You exceptional, past perfection, that's for sure. And you don't need somebody's love to make it true. My love has gone to seed. I want things back the way they used to be. My pride tasting, it's my pride taking hits. But good days are feeling nearer, telling myself in the mirror, you're smart, you're beautiful, classic but unusual, chill but super vibey, mean a whole lot to somebody. You exceptional, past perfection, that's for sure. And you don't need somebody's love to make it true. Thank you. So, if you're watching this, you're smart. Don't forget it. Cool. I'm gonna play another love song. If you like my music and you like my my energy, I'm online. You know, my name's Jacob Sigman. You can find my music. A lot of this music is released, and I also make a lot of pretty fried social media content. It's pretty chaotic. It's pretty entertaining. So follow me on Instagram or TikTok, and I guarantee you will be shocked. So I'm gonna play a song I put out a couple years ago now. It's off an album of mine called Color Coded Heart, and it's called In Spite of the World That's Around Me, All That I Dream of Is You. Just outside my window, there's a world that shines, but all that I do is sit in my room, lost in the back of my mind. There are some men who long to be famous, and others that fly to the moon, yeah. And that's why I know I'll never make it, 'cause all that I dream of is you. On the television, baby, there's a man like me, lost now it seems in somebody's dreams, searching for answers again. as DiCaprio falls down the skyline, I get up and go back to my room, 'cause it's nothing like that here in my mind. All that I dream of is you, and you'll never find my side. Blindsided, blind, no, you'll never find my side. Blindsided, blind. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Every now and then I see people pass me by with somewhere to be, someone to see, something to show for their smile. And I wonder, what is it about me that could lead me to dwell as I do? But in spite of the world that surrounds me, all that I'm dreaming, all I believe in, all that I dream of is you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Cool. I got a couple more songs. Thank you so much if you tuned in tonight, and thank you to everybody that made this night possible. This was super fun. This song is called Good Morning, Beauty Queen. Breathing slowly, even though we tried to fight it, girl. You know we nearly stayed up all night, but day is breaking and you're waking up beside me, girl. Just lay your head upon my shoulder. I'll whisper to ya, good morning, beauty queen. Can't believe how long it's been. Morning dreamer, so serene. Beauty queen, love. Good morning, beauty queen. Smiling like I've never seen. What I say is what I mean. Beauty queen, love. The night before, it has been all that I've been thinking of. I could have sworn it was my first time. Down in the kitchen, you'll be thinking about the days to come. And I'll wrap my arms around you, and I'll whisper to ya, good morning, beauty queen. Can't believe how long it's been. Morning dreamer, so serene. Beauty queen, love, yeah. Good morning, darling, true. I would never lie to you. What I say is what I mean. Beauty queen, love. So listen to me as I say truly. I could have told you from the first time. I think about you even when I'm not around you, babe. What I've been missing is to wake up with you every day. So darling, listen, believe I mean it when I say, good morning, beauty queen. Can't believe how long it's been. Morning dreamer, so serene. Beauty queen, love. Good morning, darling, true. I would never lie to you. What I say is what I mean. Beauty queen, love. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm gonna play. I just would love to play this song. I know I only said I had one more, but I'm gonna play two more. Because I never get to play the songs that I just wrote, and I wrote this song last week, so I want to play it now. It's called "I Believe in Your Love." Back in Catholic high school, I would say my prayers. Yeah, baby. A little closer to heaven when I climbed up those stairs. Yeah. But these days I'm barely breaking even. I read the paper and don't know what to believe in, baby. But I believe in your love. I believe in your love. Mama told me to get a college education. Yeah, baby. She said, you know why when it's said and done, sugar. But now I'm in a dive bar singing my Sharona. I don't believe I really needed that diploma, baby. But I believe in your love. I believe in your love. I see the walls coming down, baby. I don't know where it'll lead, but it's alright in the dark of the night. When I remember you, oh, I remember you. These days I'm trying to make $1 out of singing my songs. Yeah. But every time I hit the page, it seems to come out wrong. Yes, it does. Sometimes I don't think that I can take it, but on the days I don't believe I'm gonna make it, baby, I believe in your love. 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 Thank you. You know, it's a crazy world, and I think that one thing that we can all agree on is that we're better when we stand together as a community, and the things that we all can share and love. And that is what this evening has been for me, getting to come together with people of many different faiths and backgrounds to celebrate the things that we all love. Music and community, balance and nature. Yep, that was a test. And inclusion. It was a double test. And, of course, you can always count on the rabbi to have you there with the answer. So, I'm going to play one more song, and I'm hoping, I can maybe get a little help from the room, a little call and response, a little audience participation. And wherever you're watching from at home, feel free to do it with us. It might feel a little weird, but this is 21st century. This is what we do now. So it's very simple. It's just a call and response. I sing something and you sing it right back to me. So it goes like this. Baby, 'cause and then everybody goes, baby, 'cause I think about you, think about you. Yep, and then it comes back around. And darling, do you think about me? Wow, beautiful. You sound beautiful in here. I'm sure that you sound beautiful wherever you are. Thank you for tuning in, sharing this night with us. Again, if you like my music, my name's Jacob Sigman. You can find it wherever you're listening to music these days. So this song is called Think About You. tracking, sleeping late and looking back on memories. Images of candlelight and waking up to find you lying next to me. Ecstasy. But in spite of my nostalgia, I'm still living for today. And darling, all I really wanna say is, baby, that I think about you. 'Cause I never see no one that smiles the way you do. And darling, do you think about me? 'Cause now and again, my friend, I see you in my dreams. I see you in my, yeah. Da da da. That's great, guys. Summer lovin's wishful thinking, dancing in the kitchen, singing in the street. Let me show you what I'm thinking. Let me tell you stories while you fall asleep. Fall asleep. 'Cause I get high each time you smile at me. One more time. And baby, that's why I think about you. 'Cause I never see no one that smiles the way you do. And darling, do you ever think about me? 'Cause now and again, my friend, I see you in my dreams. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. And though I know my reminiscing often isn't wise, I saw the world and it was right there in your eyes. So I hope they keep on shining, and every day that you are smiling. Listen, all that I am really trying to say is, baby, that I think about you. 'Cause I never seen no one that smiles the way you do, you do, you do. So, darling, do you think about me? 'Cause now and again, my friend, I see you, and I see you in my